You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 14/9. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 6 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2/9. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 14/9.